Very good evening and good morning, everyone. Welcome to the ISS Combo Batch 13 demo session. So, today we started the new batch, that is Informatica ISS Combo Batch 13. This is a demo session. So, in another 2 days, we will start the regular classes for the batch. So, today we'll see what is Informatica ISS Combo online training. What is Informatica and why we are calling this IICS Combo training. Okay. So we all know what is IICS. We know what is Informatica. But what is this combo training? Okay, it is not heard, right? So why we are calling this combo training? Why it is not a common IICS training alone? So what is the advantage in the combo training compared to any Informatica IICS training? Okay. So we all know what is Informatica. Informatica is a company name. Within that Informatica company, they are having a ETL tool called Informatica. Informatica, previously we used to call as Informatica PowerCenter. Later they came with Informatica Cloud. That is called Informatica IICS, we are calling Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services or IDMC. Now, so we'll see very briefly why we are taking as combo training. Why not the common IICS training? What is the advantage? Why we must learn combo only? Why we should not learn only IICS as of now? Okay. For the current trend, current scenario, why we should learn combo training instead of only IICS? What is the issue? If I learn only IICS, what is the challenge I may face as a job seeker or learner compared to the current trend, right? So now we all know that everybody is shifting to cloud from Informatica PowerCenter, right? Most of the projects they are having migration. Either they are migrating from Informatica PowerCenter to any other ETL tool like Azure Data Factory or so many other. And majorly they are shifting to cloud, that is Informatica Cloud, that is IICS. Many of the companies, even Informatica company already announced to everyone should migrate. If you are using Informatica PowerCenter, please migrate to Informatica Cloud, that is IICS. Now this is the time not only learning only Informatica PowerCenter or only Informatica IICS, right? We have to learn both equally. Even if you are a very good expert in Informatica PowerCenter, you should know what is IICS now. You may be having 10 years of experience. Even you are very good in IICS already, you should know Informatica PowerCenter also. It is not that I am become a cloud Informatica combo training or Informatica developer. I don't want to know Informatica PowerCenter, not like that. Because when you go through the migration projects, definitely we should know about both, because we should able to handle both PowerCenter and IICS. So that it is very important, right? So before that, let me explain about myself. Okay, myself Hari. I have 14 plus years of experience in different ETL tools and databases. I am taking this training from last 3 years. Before that, I was taking training in only corporate. So by seeing the importance of taking this Informatica combo training, I started like previously I started with only separate Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica IICS, like common trainings, what is available in the market. But based on the requirement, I just made like this. I just combined Informatica PowerCenter and cloud, that is IICS. It's very much important now. If we learn in a separate batch, there is a lot of drawback is there. Both Informatica PowerCenter or Informatica IICS also. Okay, both. Because even now also, many of the trainings available in a separate batch. Informatica PowerCenter separately available, IICS separately available. There is a lot of challenge to learn in that, right? What are those challenges? What is the advantages? And what is ETL? What is Informatica? Everything we'll see very briefly today. Okay. So any of the questions if you are having with your profile, any questions you can ask. Okay. Any questions about when you complete the degree or whatever the challenge you're facing, right? And whatever the questions regarding this training, whether it is are you eligible or to join this training or not, right? Any of the questions, please you can ask. Okay. After some half an hour. Okay. For the next half an hour, let me explain what is Informatica combo training and its importance and everything, right? Later, everyone can ask the questions. So some of you joined in the Zoom, some of you joined in the LMS portal. Yeah, both the Zoom or LMS portal, the same session will be there. No worries. Those who have already enrolled, they are in the LMS portal. They are also, yeah, both are same only, right? Yeah, now, yeah, we'll see what is Informatica ISS combo training, right? Yeah, yes, yes. So what is ISS combo training? Why it is important ISS combo training, right? Yeah, yeah, we'll see all these questions. What is ISS combo training? Why it is important? Why it is important for the current market scenario for the 2025 or 2026 next? Yeah, in other 2 days, 2 months, we are going to 2026. Okay, what is the next scenario is forcing us to learn all these things. We'll see the future requirement also. Yes. Then what is Informatica? If you ask, first of all, we will learn Informatica PowerCenter in this. And also we will learn Informatica IICS IDMC. And we will learn SQL. And we will learn Snowflake. And we will learn in a session wise, topic wise. Session wise, topic wise means how? If you ask, for example, for example, we will learn today joins. We will learn the joins in SQL. We'll learn the joins in SQL, joins in Informatica Power Center, joins in IICS IDMC, joins in Snowflake. Okay. We will cover all the topics in this way only. It's very much important. You should not learn only IICS. You should not learn only Informatica Power Center. All the topics will go in a practical, all these scenarios, all these particularly, right? And also, why we added Snowflake also, you may ask. Why Snowflake in this? It's a combo, it's a Informatica training. Why Snowflake also is there if you ask? So Snowflake is one of the top databases, cloud databases now, data warehouse. So that is also a important flavor we need to add with our profile to increase the number of calls. Okay. Of course, we are having good calls, good demand for Informatica alone, Informatica Cloud itself. So first of all, we should get more calls, right? If we are getting some 10 calls, then we may able to attend at least see 3-4 interviews we may attend. If you are attending such interviews, at least some 5-6 interviews, you will be in the position of attending and cracking the interview, right? So that is why we have this kind of a combo, right? Like as I already told, all these things: Informatica Power Center, Informatica IICS, SQL, Snowflake, and everything in a topic wise. So particularly combination for boosting the calls, right? Any topic you take, not only joins, all the sessions will go in this way. Aggregation, okay, we'll do the aggregation in SQL, aggregation in Informatica Power Center, aggregation in IICS, aggregation in Snowflake. Okay. So why I mentioned here as avail, some topics may not be available in the Snowflake. Okay. All the session will not come. Whatever the session is matching, then definitely we will go through the Snowflake also. Right? Yeah. Mastering Snowflake is very important nowadays. Yes. Yeah. So these are the examples. Rank in SQL, rank in Power Center, rank in IACS, rank in Snowflake. We'll go in this way only. Right? Yeah. Yeah. So before that, why first of all ETL is coming in the picture? You all know, right? So whenever you go for any companies, they will generate lot of data, right? One second. Yes, yes. Yeah. So whenever we go for any companies, they will generate a lot of data, right? Data means they will have a lot of customer data, product data, sales data, employees data. All this data they have to maintain in a data warehouse, right? For data analytics or data, they want to make a lot of calculations about the future. So where as of now, this company is for the next 2 years, what is their position? What is their achievement from last 2 years? What was the position before 5 years? What is their goal after 5 years or within other 1 year, 2 year, 3 year? Everything they will have a plan. Okay. How they can able to plan if you ask, by keeping the data only they can able to do, right? Without data they can't calculate, they can't analyze everything, right? So that is what, when while keeping the data in the data warehouse, they don't simply dump all the data to the data warehouse. For that, they have to send through a proper ETL tool to manage the data in a proper way. So that is how the ETL tool is coming in the picture. So one of the top ETL tool is Informatica Power Center, and now Informatica Cloud, right? So, what is, when we come to this, we have to learn from all the topics. Why combo training? Yeah, here like this, you take any topic. For example, filter, right? Filter will do the filter in Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud, and SQL and Snowflake also. Yeah, expression, how to do the expression logics in SQL, expression logics in Power Center, expression logics in IACS, and router. Yeah, everything. One second. Yeah, whatever the session, we have to learn in this way now. Yeah, I was muted previously.
No, sir.
No, no, right? It was open only, right? Yeah, unmute. So just now I muted by mistakenly, I think. Yes. Even in the LMS also it is available. My voice is clear in both Zoom and LMS, I hope, right? In Zoom, my voice is hearing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. In LMS, fine. Okay. So this is what I was telling. Even if it is muted, I'm telling, right? So from here, I think I muted by mistake, right? Yeah. So this is what learn in same session all the topics, right? Any topic you take, joins, aggregation, rank, and in this way we'll go, right? Filter joins in SQL and filter any topic you take. All the advanced topics we'll try to cover in all the scenarios. Yeah. So first of all, why? First of all, save money, save money, save time, right? So in this way, we can have a lot of advantages in the combo training, right? If you see here, if you learn only Informatica Power Center as per the market scenario, the cost will be like 15,000 to 20,000. Informatica Cloud, it will be 12,000 to 15,000. CAI and CDI is there, that it will cost around 5,000 to 7,000. Only CAI. Snowflake, it's a minimum price 10 to 12,000. So the total fees will be like 40,000 plus it will cost, and the time duration minimum 4 months it will take to learn this much. But what about our the combo training? What is the fees and what is the time duration will take to learn all these things at Rishab Informatica Group, our training? So it is totally 9,600 only. That is also you don't want to pay fully. You can pay half of the amount and you can start. After 14 sessions, you can check, and if you're interested, you can continue. Even if you are not at all interested, if you have a proper reason, you can get the refund of whatever you paid previously. Okay, whatever you paid first 4,800 first session or first fees, if you want, you can get the refund also. You are completely secured, nothing to worry. Okay, you can try it out. If it is beneficial, if you are feeling like it is good, then you can continue. If not, you can get the refund whatever you paid. Okay, so there is no loss in this. Okay, next. Okay, so what is the total classes? Totally we are having 45 to 48 days, and totally it is 1.5 to 2 hours it will take daily. The total, the duration will be 80 plus hours, some 85 hours it will come. Okay, and we have the 24 into 7 technical support also. Whatever the session you have seen, any doubts or any questions, you can ask us anytime. So we are there to support always. It's not that only at the session time. After completed the session, while you practice, you can call us anytime. We are there to support. Whether it is an installation issue, technical issue, common doubts, anything you can call. Anything you can ask us. Okay, we are there 24 into 7 technical support also. Right? Yeah. So some people ask this particularly, why our price is less? That means anything less in our training, that common questions will come. Okay, are you covering all the sessions or are you skipping some classes, or why you are charging less compared to the market price? So our intention is to support the really struggling people in the ground level. Okay, it's not that completely we are commercial, or it is not completely free also, because we are also having the basic expenses about our LMS portal, training, everything. So many of the people are struggling in the non-IT. First of all, non-IT means in our classes, many non-IT people joins. Those who are delivery boys like Swiggy, Zomato, and many people. They are joining and they are getting the IT jobs easily. Even the call center BPO, those people also joins. So we are welcoming them because normally they will have less salary. They are highly struggling. We need to support them. So to match with them, we are having the less price. We cannot make a separate price for already rich people or uh, already settled people or already working people, right? So that's why we made a common prices 9,600 for everyone. So yeah, next reason, many of the people are working in the coding jobs like Java, Python. Although they are having good experience, still coding is a struggle only, right? Although they are nowadays using AI tools to write the codings, most of the projects they are using AI tools now. But still, coding is a struggle only. Coding is not that easy. They need a job without coding. They are also coming to Informatica because they are having a better salary, less hard, less codings, no codings actually, because everything is a drag and drop options. It is there available in the Informatica. That's why everyone will be attracted to Informatica. Easy job. So lack of proper guidance, lot of people are having. So we need to support. We have to guide them. So that's what we are taking this combo training. And lack of money also. Many of the people, even some people are they are calling. I could not able to pay the full fees. Can you give? If you are having a genuine reason, genuine reason, yes, we will give the discount. This is already a less price only. Still, if you want some reduction, yes, we allow even that also. Okay. So as I already told, this training is a worth of 40,000 rupees for sure. You can check. Okay. If you want, I'll give the access for our ISS combo full course, recording course, or last batch, or everything. If you make a proper research to learn all these topics, definitely it will cost 40,000. But we are giving just for 9,600 due to all these reasons. Right? Next. So, as I already told, we are having first day one to day four. We will take the only basic SQL. Okay. Of course, we will have the SQL in all the sessions, but first 4 to 5 sessions we will have only SQL. So first we'll go through the basic SQL, why SQL, why database, why ETL, and data warehouse concepts. Everything will be there. And basic SQL means single row functions, 5 different languages of SQL, constraints. Everything will start because these are the bases. Simply we cannot jump into ETL directly. First of all, we should be very good in SQL because all the interviews, if you go, definitely they will be asking the question on SQL also, structured query language. Without SQL, nobody can work with ETL tools, any ETL tool, not only Informatica. SQL is a very, very basic thing. We cannot skip SQL. We cannot avoid SQL. SQL is a must. So we are giving the equal priority for SQL also. For example, topic wise. Today, as I already told, example, joinings, rank, aggregator. First, we will take the, suppose today we are learning joins. SQL for 15 minutes on joins. IPC means Informatica PowerCenter for 25 minutes. And IICS 35 to 40 minutes on joins. Snowflake some 15 minutes on joins. So IICS with advanced topics because Informatica Power Center is not having all the topics whatever available in the Informatica IICS IDMC because it has lot of advanced concepts like hierarchy parser, hierarchy builder, and migration tools, migration utility. Lot of things is available in the IICS compared to Power Center and Excel load because in Informatica Power Center we cannot able to use the Excel sheet. Excel Excel is not available. It will not support. We cannot use Excel. It will allow only the CSV file, that is a flat file. But IECS is okay with all the things. That's why we are calling us advanced recent, right? Everyone using that. Why they are migrating? Due to all these advantages. Yeah. Now, who can join and learn? So, Informatica PowerCenter developer. Some of you are Informatica PowerCenter developer who are already working in Informatica PowerCenter. You are 100% eligible. Any IT professionals to get the hike, better hike, any code, non-coding also, anything, right? Some of you are from HR also. Some of you are civil engineers. Some of you are even from the nurses after completing their medical related courses or medical related degrees. Everyone is suitable here, okay? Because it's very, very easy to learn. There is no any difficulties in this. We are going to learn in a parallel way everything. So it's very much easy to learn. We should learn in this way only. As I already told, PowerCenter, IICS, Snowflake are will be giving very good. Snowflake will be a very good decoration for this to get more calls. Yes. Then,
Okay.
yeah, non-IT to IT. Yes. So anybody wants to shift from non-IT to IT, definitely it's a great opportunity to learn this particularly, right? And any graduates also, some of the freshers also. Previously, I was not taking the freshers since I was not added the Snowflake. Since I added the Snowflake from the recent batches, definitely this is suitable even for the freshers also. Previously, I was not allowing the freshers. Now, freshers also, it is allowed because we are giving the SQL and Snowflake also. So, due to this combination, it is suitable for everyone. Yeah. So, some of the people are not completed the degree. This is one question will come. Okay. So, this biggest challenge, if there is no degree, what to do? If I not completed the degree, can anyone wants to say any option is there to join a IT company? Those who are on the LMS, can anyone tell some solution for this problem? Maybe you might be attempted, but some of the you are not completed the degree fully. Okay, maybe some of the semesters you are not completed. Some of it is got pending. What is the solution now? Do I should have to be like that? Okay, I cannot go for any job, IT job or any. I cannot learn anything. Can anyone give some idea what they have to do? Yeah, yeah, you can unmute and tell. What is the solution for the people who not completed the degree? Any idea? Yes, correct. That is one solution. Next, see what is my solution for those who not completed the degree. The best way what you can do is learn this and get some certification from Informatica or certification from Snowflake. Then you decorate your profile in a nice way. The skills, whatever you completed the certification, based on that certification, definitely will get calls. You don't want to worry. But my suggestion, definitely you try to complete the degree. It's not that you can avoid the degree, any degree at least, any one degree. It can be BCom also, because BCom is the most easiest way to crack the to complete the degree, or any other topics, BBA, BTech. BTech is really directly related to the IT, that is BCA. Any degree, please complete. Even if you are due to some reason you couldn't complete, or if you are in a struggle, the next option, please complete the certification from Informatica or from Snowflake or from SQL. Any one certification you complete, then you mention that in your profile, keep it in the LinkedIn, keep it in the your Naukri profile. Definitely, it will attract the calls. So that you can tell openly that I have not completed the degree, but I completed the certification. Okay. So we don't want so many jobs. I need only one job. I don't want a lot of company support. I need only one company. If they are accepting me, that is all right. Once if you are got the experience, then the remaining things and all, it will automatically, they are not going to worry about. So you have the good skills and you are having a good certification, that is more than enough. But parallelly, my suggestion, try to complete the degree again. At least a online degree or any degree, at least try to complete. But without degree also, you can able to work. It doesn't mean that I am discouraging or anything for without degree you can manage. I'm not saying directly, okay, but you can able to work without degree also in this way by completing the certifications. So our training will help us to complete the certification. Yes, definitely. Yes, after this training you can go on directly complete the certification. Any which certification you can complete? Informatica cloud certification or even Snowflake also. We are having the enough interview question answers. All the things will give. Okay. Even in our website itself, we are having lot of interview question answers. Please go through that. So those who are joining in the training, they will get a very special interview question answers. So parallelly, parallelly you can go through the interview question answers. All are very powerful. All are scenario based. All are directly asked questions. All are question and answers, everything included. It's not that I'm going to give only the question and answer, everything will be there. So when you join the class, parallelly you should go through the exercises. After completed the session, please go and complete the exercise and please go and see the interview question answers. So that will make you very powerful. Okay. Yeah. Next. So some questions normally the people will ask, can I learn Informatica Power Center separately? As I already told, no much calls. Okay, straightforward. If you are having only Informatica Power Center, you are not in demand today. You should know Informatica IICS also. Can I learn Informatica IICS directly? No. Directly IICS, only IICS you should not learn. You can learn with Power Center, like whatever our combo training. Okay. We are giving in a parallel way. That is okay. As I always say, Informatica Power Center is like a bachelor degree and IACS is like a master degree. You can complete these through degrees parallelly in the combo training. Okay. So without Informatica Power Center also, don't learn IACS directly. Without IACS, don't learn Power Center. So we can learn parallelly. That is the conclusion. Okay. So we are having like comprehensive means, as I already told, we are having SQL, Informatica Power Center, IICS, Cloud, and Snowflake, right? Interactive, yeah. So active participation is encouraged because we don't mute anyone. We don't mute anyone. It will be always open. But you can mute yourself whenever you get a question. You can unmute and ask and mute yourself. We don't force anyone. Simply locking some people and not allowing to speak to them. Not, we don't do that. Okay, you are completely allowed to speak whenever in the entire session. You can unmute and ask. You can complete the doubt there itself. Because sometimes we may say, normally the people will say, after completing the session, end of the session, you ask the question. So that is not practical because you will forget that question itself, right? So whatever the question you can ask then and there itself, and you can complete. And because our mind will get blocked if you get a question, if it is not answered, Whatever I am talking, you cannot hear it. The mind will keep on pop up with the same doubt only. What is that question? What is that question? Then you will be completely blank. So that's why some people may be asked some question, some people the same question will be there for other people also. It will be helpful for others also. So some people are not that openly will ask the question. So you can ask the question at any time, the entire session, right? And we are having the access in many ways. Which access? After the live session, we are having the recording. Recording will be uploaded automatically through all these platforms. That is our web portal and our Android app and our iOS app. In all these three platforms, you will get the recording for lifetime access. Okay. If you go to the Google Play Store, you will find our app, Rishab Informatica Group app. You can install and you will get instant access and lot of documents also available for free. Yeah, by watching our website itself, many people cracking the interview. That is also easy, but it's not that easy. So training also important because lot of questions we added in our website. Lot of things is there. Okay, yeah. Which one? Yeah, yeah. Just a moment. I'll show our website. So the complete SQL you can practice in our website itself. Okay, click on this informaticagroup.com, rishabinformaticagroup.com. So if you see here, we are having something called SQL Lab. So SQL Lab you will not find in any training institute website. Okay, you can completely practice the SQL. Yeah, all the queries it will work. Lot of advantages there in this SQL Lab compared to any other SQL practice lab, including Oracle, anything. What is the advantage if you ask? We are having something called here toggle switches there. That is Oracle and PostgreSQL. So why I given this switch? Okay. So this particularly this complete website or this SQL platform, everything myself created everything. Okay. You see here, design and developed by Rishab Informatica Group only. We are not given this work to anyone. We are also having the website development also. Okay. So this SQL platform particularly, I put lot of effort to create this to make very much easy to the students to learn SQL for free. Anybody can learn SQL. So how the remaining topics and all where it is there if you ask. Okay. For example, I am running this query here. See here, you are getting the results, right? Like that, you can create the tables, you can insert, you can anything, whatever you are doing in the Oracle. See, this is the Oracle 11G. Whatever the options is there, mostly we given everything in this also. In this, what is the advantage if you ask? We are having two, two syntaxes. SQL can be divided into two, two major syntaxes. What is that? Oracle, one syntax. PostgreSQL, another syntax. This PostgreSQL, why I particularly added if you ask? This PostgreSQL is very similar to the other platforms like Azure, AWS. So those platforms and all they are using PostgreSQL style of syntax, SQL syntax. And Oracle is entirely different. PostgreSQL is entirely different. But a lot of difference is there. Still, up to 90%, all the SQL are same only. SQL is a common language. There is no much difference. That 10% of difference will make these changes. So those changes and all, it will reflect here very, very clearly. Yeah. See here, for example, this is a PostgreSQL, this is a Oracle. If you type any Oracle syntax in the PostgreSQL, it will give a pop-up. You are typing PostgreSQL, you are typing Oracle, please switch to Oracle mode so that this pop-up will give a, yeah, pop-up will give a idea for you whether I am in the Oracle syntax or, because different people will come from different background. Some people might be learned Oracle, some people already learned PostgreSQL, right? So for them, I given this switch. If you are good with PostgreSQL style, that is Azure or AWS or PostgreSQL, you can switch to this switch. It will be very easy for you. Otherwise, you can switch to this itself, Oracle itself. But in our session, we are having more focused on Oracle syntax only. Few sessions we will have other one session we will have completely to show the differences of the syntaxes, that is PostgreSQL and Oracle syntaxes. Okay, so how to practice SQL through this, if you ask? See here, lot of pages I have given here, all the pages you can practice SQL. What is the advantage, if you ask? My suggestion, open one tab for SQL lab, another tab you can open here to open the remaining pages. See here, I am opening here. So this tab for only practice SQL. This for to copy the, see here, SQL introduction. Click on this. So you can completely learn what is SQL. Okay, from the basic. What is introduction to SQL, real-time understanding. What is the database and its language? Just like we use the language to communicate, databases also need a language to store, retrieve, and manage data. That language is SQL structured querying. Okay, just you can go through all these things. We have given the lot of real-time scenarios, how the SQL is coming in the picture, real-time examples. So if you are expanding the business, lot of data will come. That data where you will keep, that will be kept in a data warehouse. To handle the data warehouse or database, we must need SQL. That is a language to speak to the data warehouse or database, right? So to for further analytics, like competitors. So every competitor, what they will do, they will make a comparison with their competitor. Like Zomato will always compare with Swiggy. Swiggy will always compare with Zomato. So they want to see always closely. They will be keep on watching. What is the special offer they are giving? If I am not giving, I will be affected. So in this way, everything will go. Yeah, yeah. So yes, yeah, I'll go. Just I'll go through this. This is what SQL. So just go through all these things. So all the pages you should learn everything, because we should know the SQL also. All the questions you can go through this. So all the pages, if you go, everything is explained very clearly about all the ready-made SQL queries there. You can simply take all this query and you can run in the create table. You can create the table. See here, you can create here directly. You can practice and you can insert also. See here, insert also is there. Insert query is readily available. You can simply insert, see here, you can insert the CSV file directly into this Oracle if you are using Oracle. Yeah, everything is there in this. Yeah, we'll start with SQL now. IICS, all the things you can see here. So you can practice SQL, the entire SQL easily. Next, interview. If you go through the interview, you should know all the interview question answers. First of all, SQL I already given here, and Informatica PowerCenter interview question answers. So you can go through all these things. The basic explanation is given here, and Informatica IICS. These are the Informatica IICS interview question answers. So we have a lot of, yeah, we are having the notes also. You can learn the notes also in this. All the questions, everything we given in a real-time scenario to understand from the basic. And I given the exercise also. You can do the exercise here itself. Okay, you can click on this exercise. So we have given some exercise also. You can complete that. Yeah, mapping documents. Yeah, I'm adding the mapping documents now. Now I'll come back to our platform now, right? So if you want to know more easily, right? So you can read all these blogs. What is ETL? Okay, why ETL is coming in the picture? So ETL stands for extract, transform, load. Why do companies need ETL? What is the importance of using the ETL tool? Which is the best ETL tool in the market? Which is the most demanding ETL tool in the market? And what is the ETL developers demand in this case? Okay. So master ETL with Informatica IICS combo training, right? Meet your everything given here, right? So just go through things, you will get some idea why we have to learn Informatica, everything. So some of the blocks I given very easily, and what you will learn in the ISS combo training, that also I given a one block. So you can read this blog, everything explained clearly, whatever I'm telling here, right? I given the download, yeah, course combo course content also is there. You can just download here course content, whatever you are going to learn. So including CDI and CA, everything already I just mentioned everything here. And course structure overview. So this is what the session, the combo training session I made it as a blog. So total duration 45 sessions, 9,600 only. Cloud data integration we are going to learn, and CDI we are going to learn, CI we are going to learn, Snowflake we are going to learn, interview preparation and project everything you are going to learn, right? Next, yeah, here. So project, what is the projects we are going to take here? We'll take some at least 2 3 projects like banking, retail, or healthcare. Any 3 projects we'll take, and we will do it completely in the after some 20th session. We will go for project explanations and do some mini projects. Yeah. So what is the process? How it will go? Day one. In the day one, the day one will share all the interview question answers. Okay. What are the documents we are going to give? If you see here, I'll show the documents, whatever we are going to give here. So we'll give this file, day-to-day doc for students. See, this is the file we are going to give. Every day we'll have separate files. So the entire things I will send in the day one itself. Okay, I'll share all the documents. For example, if you go through this filter transformation folder, what are the things available? We are having the CSV file to practice. You can import this and you can start practice. And we are having, yeah, somebody chatting. Yeah. Snowpark, not fully Snowpark. Snowflake basics will be their location. Not completely Snowflake, because it's mainly Informatica combo training. In this Snowflake, whatever the topics is coming, that much it's more than enough to learn the Snowflake to mention your in your profile. Yeah, Snowflake part completely we are not going to cover. Snowflake we are going to cover. But this is more than enough to crack the Snowflake certification. That much I'm giving. I'm giving some very important interview question answers and all. You can go through that as well. So filter transformation. If you go to the filter transformation, we are having exercise in this. See here, exercise. This is how we will give the exercise. Yeah, let them ask. We cover most of the things. To crack the interview, it's more than enough, Lokesh. Yeah. Yes, yes. So these are the question will be there. Okay. We'll ask the question. Exercise will be there. So some questions. If, for example, you can see here, load the students who are getting stipend more than 3,000 under the coordinator ID 50 and 80. Like this question will be there. So you can complete the exercise on both PowerCenter and IICS and wherever possible, even Snowflake also. Okay. Yes, sir. You can always take the Snowflake also into the picture for all the sessions as possible. Wherever possible, take the Snowflake also. Don't no need to avoid the Snowflake in any scenario. Okay. Yeah, just if you observe, I'll tell you one by ones. Okay. Yeah. See all the sessions wherever it is because all are same only. Joins is there, everything is there. Whatever is coming in the SQL, same thing available in the Snowflake also. Okay. Yeah. Like this, you can go every sessions. And we are having the notes for everything. Can try to complete, just read the notes for everything separately, and you can try to complete the exercises. Yes. And day 1 after day 20. Previously, I spoken about the day 1. Now day 20. Yeah, yeah, definitely we are covering PostgreSQL. Yes. We have to install PostgreSQL. Okay, what are the softwares we are going to cover? Okay, see here, we are having PostgreSQL also. PostgreSQL also is there. Oracle also is there. We have to connect the PostgreSQL in IICS. Yes, we are going to cover PostgreSQL. Yes. So that's why I given this also in our switch also. So we can learn PostgreSQL also. Yes. We have to connect the PostgreSQL in IICS. We have to connect the Snowflake in IICS. We have to connect the Azure in the IICS. And we more learn PostgreSQL and Snowflake. Snowflake is also one of the important in this. Yeah. Now, day 20, what is the thing? If you ask, the day 20, we will prepare the resume and Naukri profile and everything. Things. Experience setting means based on your profile, we have to set, we have to do some, we have to manage something, right? Some of the people will not have the experience. They might be coming from the non-IT or experience documents and all. If any guidance you want, yes, we'll give that also. Okay. Yeah, yeah. That's yeah. In some cases, we have to go for experience documents as possible. We will try to avoid that. But in some cases, no other option. If you're having the gap, so we have to go for experience documents and all. That yeah, no other option. That is the option. Next. Yeah. Next, day 23, I will take the mock interview. Okay. You may ask, what is this day 23 itself mock interview? So normally any training you go, after completed all the sessions, mock interview will be there. But we are having totally 3 mock interviews. First mock interview after completed 23 sessions out of 45 sessions. Okay. First mock interview will have on day 23. So it's not mandatory, or I'm not going to force everybody to attend the mock interview at this stage, but this is highly recommended.
Meeting and training.
Yeah, it's highly recommended to attend the mock interview, but if you're, yeah, it's not mandatory. So based on the interest of the student, we'll do this. Okay. So I will particularly do the SWOT analysis of the student. SWOT analysis means, yeah, strength, weakness. Yes. Yeah. Now, I will not record your mock interview. We'll do it in the Zoom only. If you are interested, I will record. Otherwise, I will not record. So if you done well, yeah, if you want, you can switch on the video or switch off the video also while taking the mock interview. These are the things I'm I'm telling advance in advance. Okay. If you want to switch on the video, you can switch on or you can switch off also. We'll do the mock interview. But in the real time interview, you should have to switch on the video only. Okay. Even if you have done the mock interview very well, if you allow, if you are interested, we will upload that video in our YouTube channel. Okay. If you've done well, mock interview. But mock interview, what I will do based on the whatever the session I completed till 23, that much question only I will ask. Not all the questions I will ask. At this stage, up to 23 sessions, whatever the sessions completed, that much questions only I will ask. I will not ask any other questions at this stage. Next day, from the day 25, you can start to attend the real-time interviews. You can start to attend the real-time interviews. Yeah. You can start to attend the real-time interviews. So I will tell some recording techniques. You can try to record your interview, whatever you are attending. Yeah, sharing. You can share the question and answers, whatever in the WhatsApp group also. So we will review and we'll give the answer also. So you will get an idea. What are the questions? You are not going to crack the interview at this stage, definitely. Okay. But some people are cracking here also. First 3 to 4 interviews blindly simply you attend. No, without any expectation, without any, just to see how they are asking the questions. Okay. Whatever the knowledge you gathered till at this stage, you can attend it. And parallelly, if you want, you can go through the interview question answers. We are having a lot of interview question answers. As I already told, I will submit all the interview question answers in the day one itself. You can see here, these things and all I'll give. Okay. Crack the interview. One document is there. In this crack the interview, yeah. You can explain how to explain about yourself. See here, self introduction you can do. For example, please introduce yourself. They will ask the first question. You can give an example. Okay. This is Prashant. I am from Bangalore. I am a MTech graduate having total 3.8 years of experience in Informatica IICS Cloud. From last 1 year, I got the opportunity to work in IICS. Previously, I was into Informatica PowerCenter. Currently, they are migrating from Informatica IICS to cloud. So I am currently working as IICS developer in Infosys. This is an example. Our client here is Takeda Pharmaceutical Company and one of the top 20 pharmaceutical company. You can explain about the company and day-to-day activities, whatever you're doing. I given the example how to explain about yourself and how to explain about your project. These are the important first questions will be there. Then you can note some points in this and you can keep it in mind. You can tell some 4 or 5 points. Then your self introduction and explaining about your project, everything will complete in 5 to 6 minutes. Then they will ask all these questions and all. You can tell all these reasons. Okay, complex ETL team mapping design. I'm doing design and develop complex ETL mappings for handling type 1 and type 2 dimensions. Test case preparation and unit testing, conduct unit testing, all the peer review, right? Performance tuning, everything you can explain in the interview. Okay. Yeah. So any 5 or 6 points you note in this, you can tell while explaining about yourself or explaining about your project. And they will ask the regular questions, technical questions like this. Okay. What are the questions? What is the meaning of enterprise data warehousing? Like this, the questions will start. What is the meaning of lookup transmission? What are the points of difference between connected and unconnected lookup? What is parameter? What is so all the questions? Okay. Yeah. Now, next you can go through this particularly IICS alone. This is 500 plus questions is there. I'm not going to say that you should learn all the 500 questions. At least you complete some 100 or 150 question. It's more than enough for you to crack the interview. Okay. Yeah, these questions and all. Yeah. Next, Informatica Power Center alone also separately is there. See, this is like this. We have a lot of other documents also. I'll share everything. And importantly, SQL, importantly, Snowflake also separate documents is there. Important interview question answers, everything is there. So you can go through everything so that all the platforms you can make master yourself. That is Informatica Power Center, SQL, IICS, Snowflake. Next, day 35, I will take a second mock interview. I will take a second mock interview in the day 35. Again, the same rule only. It is not forcing or it is not mandatory, but it is highly recommended. I will do the SWOT analysis. If you are interested, I will record. Otherwise, I will not record. I will not share to anyone. Since if you are feeling like I don't want to share as of now, and if you want, you can switch on the video or switch off the video while taking the mock interview. You are having the complete privacy. If you done well, I will upload the video in our YouTube channel. If you are interested, if you allow. Next. Yeah. So our expectation is yes. So our expectation is you should crack the interview before 40 or 45 sessions. Is it really possible? Yes. If you want, I will give the phone numbers of the previous students, previous batch students. Many people who have cracked the interview before 40 session. If you follow our process exactly, 100% success is guaranteed. Yes. Just follow the process. Day 1, I will give all the interview question answers. Please go through that. And day 20, we will prepare the resume and Naukri profile and everything. Day 23, we will have the mock interview. Day 25, you can attend the real-time interview. Day 35, we'll have the second mock interview. Just follow the process. Definitely, you will be in the success. Right? Okay. After getting the job, we'll have free job support for 3 months. It's the biggest advantage. Many people are getting free job support with us, our students, nothing to pay. Okay. Continuous job support. Yes, up to 3 months. But after 3 months, normally people doesn't want any support. They will manage themselves. Okay. Yes. Yeah. So we are having the batch. Yes. Okay. I will come to the differences between Informatica Power Center and cloud. Yeah, in the perspective of laptop, whatever you're using, the hardware, your machine, your laptop or computer. So, what are the things you should have in your laptop? Okay, basically to install. So, basically, Informatica Power Center is a on-premises ETL tool, and it should have at least minimum 6 GB RAM. If you're having 8 GB RAM or 16 GB RAM, that's great. And the free space 100 GB should be there, and you should have Windows 10 and Windows 10 or Windows 11. For Informatica IICS, we need to install a small security agent. So minimum 8 GB is good. If you are having 4 GB, it is manageable. 20 GB free space should be there for IICS. Totally, you should have at least 120 GB free space should be there for a easy installation for both PowerCenter and IICS. Now, I will tell you what are the things you have to install. Right? First of all, IICS. I will open the IICS. I'll open the IICS. Yeah, I will open my account of IICS now. Yeah. Login. This is the IICS platform, IDMC. And this is our administrator. Let it open. Parallelly, I will run the service of Informatica Power Center also. See, to start the Informatica Power Center, we should go to the service and we have to start this Informatica 10.2. It's already running. Then we have to go for repo. Repo means repository to open the Informatica Power Center. So we should learn everything in a parallel way like this. See, I'm opening this also. Parallelly, the IIC is also opening that side. Yeah, it's loading still. Yeah, sometime the server will be slow. Sometime it will take some time to open and load. See, this is what. So it's opened. Yeah, I'll give a remind me later. Okay. So this is the admin. If you click on the runtime environment, so all the services should be up and running. We are having two runtime environment here. Okay. That is, this is a default one. This one we have created. Yes, this one we have created. Yeah, correct. Okay. Yes. Then we have done the connections here. You can click on these connections. So I've done the connection with Oracle. We have to do the connection with Snowflake. We have to do the connection with PostgreSQL. We have to do the connection with Azure also. 1 second. Yeah. So we have to connect all these things. Now we'll come to the here data integration. As a IICS developer, you will not be in this administrator because administrator designation is different. They will take care. As a Informatica IICS developer, you will be here in this data integration platform. If you are working in a CAI project, you will be in this application integration platform. But most of the projects they are having more with the data integration only. That is CDI and CAI. CAI projects is comparatively less only. More if you are having some 10 projects or 10 calls, out of that some 3 or 4 calls, 4 projects maybe CAI, remaining all CDI will be there. Okay. See, I'm opening the CDI now. Okay, let it open. I'm opening the Informatica Power Center parallelly. See, this is what Informatica Power Center. Okay. This is a on-premises ETL tool. We have to install in our IICS. It's not like creating the account like whatever IICS done. Yeah, this is the Informatica Power Center. We have to compare all the sessions. Simply, we cannot learn IICS directly. That is not recommended for the current scenario. Okay. Yeah. They will ask the question in interview. They will ask Power Center question separately also. Okay. They will be lot of interviews available only for Power Center also. We should know IICS and Power Center both easily. Yes. So this is a 13, 12th. Yes, 12th batch. It is completed. Now we are in the. I will create a folder here as Informatica IICS combo batch 13. Once if I create, it will be reflect in all the platforms. Folder has been created. Now it will available here also. Yeah, I should disconnect and open. Then it will be available here also. So this is what Informatica Power Center. I should once disconnect and reconnect. That 13 batch will show here also. Yeah, we'll have the complete explanations, everything. Yeah, just I'm showing here. Yeah. See, this is what I created, right? See, we have to open here. Then we can do the mappings and everything. See, the beautiful thing is it has only the drag and drop options. For example, you can create the mapping, you can simply drag, right? Create a mapping, map, map. Just introduction, something I'm mentioning. So mapping introduction. So I can simply drag, right? Whatever. For example, I'm opening the previous batch now. Okay. In the combo batch 12, simply you can create a mapping. It's very, very easy and simple. I will show the same thing in IICS also now. It will complete in 2 minutes or 1 minute. Okay. See here, map, filter, transformation, or basic mapping. Yeah. Yeah, correct. I will take a source and target. See, these and all we have already imported. We are having the student table, we are having the student target table. There is a source, there is a target. Simply we can select all and you can send everything, save it. Yeah, this is just like sending the data from, yes, sending the data from source to target, as I already told. Okay. Yeah, simply, yes. That is what. Yeah, correct. See here, there is a OLTP, there is a, yeah, yes. See, there is a data we are receiving. Okay. Assume that this is a company. Yes. Online transaction processing and online analytical processing. Right. Here we are sending the data from source to target. So here we are doing the same thing, whatever I showed in the Power Center right now. Okay. Yeah. This architecture. Cloud versus on premises. Correct. Right. Yes. So this is what Power Center, right? So that we can do the mapping here. Just saved. This should be valid. Next we are having workflow level. Yeah. After this we'll go for IAGS. Yeah, those who are in the LMS, many of you are good in. Okay, who is very good in SQL and Power Center and all? Okay. Yeah, that is why I'm telling. Always we have to come through from the proper channel. That is SQL, Power Center, and IAGS. Workflow, filter or something I'm mentioning here. But always we have to mention the same name, whatever we given here. What is the name I given? Filter transmission I given, right? Same name, filter transmission I have not used there. Just we have done a basic mapping. Yeah, if you want, I'll add. 1 second. I'll add it. So what is transmission? See here, I'll add a transmission here. I'll disconnect all these things. I'll add a filter here. This is what the filter transmission. So I added a filter. Simply you can go to this and you can. So normally it will be true. True means it will pause all the records. If you want, you can give some conditions. Sports stipend more than 10,000. That means it will send the stipend more than 10,000 alone. Okay, this is a simple condition. Instead of writing the SQL query entirely, that is the advantage of using a transmission. See, lot of transmissions available, up to some 20, more than 20 transmissions available here. Filter, aggregator, lookup, sequence generator, stored procedure, all these things, rank and everything. Simply wherever there is a requirement, we'll use that particular transmission and we'll create the mapping, right? And filter, just open this workflow level. So yeah, create wflow filter transformation. And whatever I created in the designer platform, it will be available here. Yeah, I supposed to be open this one. Sorry. We are in the batch 12 in this. I'll create once again here. Filter transformation. And take this, whatever I created filter transmission, it will be available. Whatever previously I created. Okay, this is what I created, right? Map filter transmission. You can link this here. Go to this mapping and stage. You can change this connection here and you can truncate here. Apply. Okay. It's valid. You can start workflow from here and it should automatically open the monitor here. Monitor will show the whatever the number of sessions it is completed or whether it is failed or succeeded, everything it will show. Okay. Yeah, I'll go for IICS now. Just to show the glimpses, I am showing the PowerCenter also. And after this, I will go for Snowflake also. I'll go for Snowflake now. After IICS, I will go for Snowflake. Yeah. Actually, there is a primary key I created already in the last session. Yeah, that's why it is not allowing. Okay. Yes. I created a primary key in the last session. Correct. I'll do one thing. I'll use another target table. That is a employees table. That TGT employees will not have a primary key as of now. But I can load to this also. Because the structure is same only, it will allow. Yeah, correct. It will allow, no issue. Structure is same only, no issue. Refresh mapping. It will take that particular target. TGT employees it has taken now. truncate, apply, okay. Start workflow. Yeah, correct. Yeah, it will run like this. Yeah, it is succeeded now. If you go and see in the Oracle, it will load the record here. Okay, that is select star from employees, TGT employees. Yeah, yes. So it is loaded here. But if you see here, it is students record has come here. Okay, that means the source is coming from the student table. The target is employees table. Yeah. So this is what the basic. We'll go for IACS now. Then I will go for Snowflake. Okay. I have to do a basic mapping in IACS. I'll show now. Yeah. This is what the data integration as a IACS developer or Informatica developer. You will be in this platform only. Click on this new. Go to the mapping. Here create. So I already connected with this Oracle. I supposed to connect to Snowflake also next. Okay. It's a new account for me. Yeah. Click on the source. I'll take the employees table only again. Here also, whatever I connected in the Oracle source, I'll take here. Select. Since it is a cloud, it will take some time to load sometimes. Okay. We need to wait. Particularly when you connect to the Snowflake, it will take more time also. So this is connected from Oracle. Okay. How it is connecting? I'll give a small glimpse now how it will connect. 1 second. Yeah, correct. You're exactly correct. Architecture, right? Here, if you see here, security agent in IICS. See here, this is your laptop or this is your company. This is your on premises. Here you have installed the security agent of the IICS. This security agent will connect from the two cloud platforms. One cloud platform is the actual Informatica cloud, that is IICS. So this will be in another country, and this is assume that this is Snowflake. So this might be from another country. Both of these things is connected to your local platform, that is your laptop or your company. Okay. So the data will be coming from here to here and here to here. This is your laptop. So this cloud is in a different country. This is in another country. Okay. It will cloud from, if you are using the Oracle will be here only. Okay. If you are using the Oracle or SQL server or any other on premises database. Okay. It will be here only. It will help us to connect. So that is why whenever you connect to the Snowflake or any other cloud databases, it will take some time to connect. Okay. See here it is connected since it is in a, I'm connecting the Oracle so that it is got connected easily, right? This is the source employees table I connected. Click on the target, go to the target. Go to the target. I will connect to the Oracle stage here. I'll connect to the employees target. Commonly, there is a source, there is a target. That's it. Okay. TGT employees. I'll connect to TGT employees target table. See here, TGT employees target table connected. Here we have to do the field mapping separately. So how we are doing in the Informatica PowerCenter, we are doing some mapping, right? Same way we have to do the mapping in IICS also. For example, I have done the mapping here. What I have done? Simply I just connected like this, correct? Yeah. Same way done the mapping, right? This is a PowerCenter. IICS, what we'll do? We'll do the field mapping here also. Now I connected to this particular target table. We can click on this truncate target. Okay. The field mapping, this is what the field mapping. We can do the smart mapping here. Okay. Click on this. Click on the smart map. Automatically everything will get connected. See here, everything is connected, right? Simply save it and you can run this. Since I am truncated, whatever loaded from PowerCenter, it will get truncated and it will be loaded freshly from the IECS, whatever I'm doing now. Okay, you have to change this runtime environment and you have to run this. Now go to the My Jobs. Refresh mapping. Yeah, 2-3 times you have to do the refresh if you want. Yeah, it will complete. Yeah, I will open the let it run. I'll open the Snowflake now. Okay. Go to the Snowflake. I'll go to my Snowflake account now. So this is my Snowflake account. This is a Snowflake account. Yeah, this is how we'll go all the sessions in this way only. PowerCenter, IICS, Snowflake, and SQL. That is from the Oracle or Snowflake also. We can learn SQL through Snowflake or Oracle also. Yes, correct. Yeah, and as I already told, we are having the PostgreSQL also. Yeah, correct. Yeah. I'll open the yeah, sure. Yeah. So this is the Snowflake platform. Okay. If you see here, the Snowflake, this many projects we have already created in the last batch. Yeah. So many branch. Yeah, all these projects we created in the go to all projects. Yeah, we will create something called worksheet here. Everything is created as a projects, right? You can see the dates and all. It started in the 24th or something like that. Okay, last month. Yeah. Click on this SQL worksheet. You can create a SQL worksheet. Here, if you see here, Click on the settings. Yeah, here it is having a lot of default tables available in the Snowflake. Okay, default tables, sample data. Click on the sample data. It will have a lot of sample data with this schemas, different schema. For example, here you can see here. Click on this, for example, SF10. Once if you click, it will be open here. Okay, and you go to the left side. You can go to this sample data, click on this, and you can click on this also SF10, whatever the same. Yeah, now you can type select star from, yeah, based on the tables. You can see here whatever the table available. These are the default tables. These are the default tables available in the Snowflake. Select star from customer. Okay, you can simply run this play button also. Yeah, it is loading now. That particular, yeah, this is the customer table, right? This is a customer table. This is a select star from customer, right? Select count of star from customer. See, if you know SQL, you can handle both Oracle or Snowflake or anything. No issue. That's why we give the first SQL. Yeah, correct. Okay, can anyone tell how many records is this in this customer? Yeah, lakhs of records they given. Lakhs of records they given for just practice. Okay, that is the biggest advantage in the Snowflake. It will be seems to be like working in a different real time scenario. 15 lakhs records they given only in this, even crores of records available in this to go for any other. Okay, if I take this SF1000, yeah, if I select this SF1000, if you run this, if I, you can see now also, if I select in this particular schema, another schema, I'm running now, you can see number of records now. So crores of records is there here. Okay. Yeah, you should practice. We can practice like this. Even if you open also, it will take some time to load so much of records. See, select star from customer. See here how it is loading. It will take some time, so much of record. That is how in the real time to complete a mapping, it will take some 15 to 20 minutes also to complete a mapping based on the number of records and whatever the records you are using. See here it is keep on running. 15 seconds, 22 seconds. Because it has to load more than 100 records, 100 crores records. So that is what in Oracle we don't have those so many records and all to practice. But in Snowflake, it is giving almost like a real time scenario because normally in our training platforms, we may use 100 record or 200 record or 1000 record. But in Snowflake, it will almost give a big picture of number of records. See here, so much of time it is taking to load. It's more than 1 minute it is taking to load itself. Then you think about the real time mapping, how much it will take some time. Okay. The same record it has to load through IICS. And from IICS, it has to load to the another database. See, it's taking so much of time. Snowflake executing still. Okay, I'll just give a cancel. It is taking more time. Okay, it will take some 2-3 minutes normally. Okay, yeah, I'll come back to IICS now. So these are IICS. It is keep on running now. It's completed. Okay, so that is Snowflake. This is IICS. Say it is 107 record is loaded, right? Previously. Yeah. All the topics will go in this way only. Okay. Yeah. Neon Postgre. I'll go open the PostgreSQL. Our login. So this is the PostgreSQL platform. We will connect this PostgreSQL also in our Informatica combo training, and we'll do the practice on that also. Yes. Yeah, we are going to connect this also. Yes. SQL editor. See, this is the PostgreSQL. You should create an account first, and it is also purely a Snowflake, like Snowflake only. This is also completely cloud. Nothing to install. Create an account, and you can connect to any IACS or any ETL tool. Okay. So these are the things we already worked in PostgreSQL. Yeah. Select star from students. Run. See, here we are getting right. Then we can connect this to. We are having JDBC connection. I'll tell you how to connect JDBC to IACS. Okay. Yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah. So this one we can connect to IACS also. How to connect and everything I'll tell you. Okay. So what and all we are going to connect to IACS? We'll connect Oracle, we'll connect Snowflake, we'll connect PostgreSQL, we'll connect Azure also. So all these platforms we are going to practice. Okay. Yeah. So what are the sessions we are going to cover if you ask? Okay. I'll open the real time, whatever the contents itself. Okay. So that you will have a better clarity. Yeah. So how to enroll that I already told, right? How to access the recording? Go to the informaticagroup.com, and here you can go for student login. Click on the student login. So if you have the access, you will get the recordings and all here. Okay. Yeah. If you have the access, you will get the recordings like this. If you click on this, for example, last batch, ISS combo batch 12. Click on this. This is how you will see the recordings in your platform, both in the Android. This is web portal. Even if you are using Android app, you will get the same access. For example, lookup transformation of the last batch. Yeah. Okay. Now just can click on this. For example, I'm opening the lookup. So see the lookup, we are in the lookup right now, right? Morning we have seen the lookup, we have seen the we have seen the connected lookup in the morning. Now we'll go for unconnected lookup. Yes. So this is how the recording you can get the access. We'll have the access of Android and also iOS app also. Yeah. Okay. So in between, any questions is there, you can ask so that I can answer for that as well. Okay. Yeah. Any questions about your profile or anything, you can ask. So here Purnima already spoken to me, and Hemant already spoken, and Deshmukh already spoken. One second. Yeah, Purnima, you have any question? Already spoken, right? That's what, right?
Yeah, Hari. And one more thing, uh, today the class is little bit fast and it's like
No, it's a demo session. I have to cover, I have to show so many things within 1 hour or 1.5 hour.
yeah.
Normally, our session will not be like this fast and all. Okay.
Okay, if that's the case, it's okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, we'll have a very detailed and slow explanation only. It is not like fast and all.
Okay.
So whatever we have to do, everything we have to come. Already it's 9:45, right? After so much of fast also, the time become 9:45, right?
Yes.
So all the things we have to show what and all we are going to cover. Obviously, it will take some time. It should be quite fast only. That's what. Okay. Any
Okay.
questions?
Okay. No.
Okay, fine. So those were on the LMS. Any questions? Yeah. When you completed the degree? When you have completed the degree? Okay. After that? Okay, in the non-IT. Okay, you call me. I'll tell you. See, basically, if you have the good skill, then you can manage everything. Al- Although you are from non-IT, you can definitely you can crack the interview before 40 session. If you follow our process, it's very easy only. No question in this. Definitely, yes. Yeah. Okay. In the Zoom, someone Deshmukh Dattatre, any question?
No, Rishab.
Fine.
I
Okay.
got that course details, so no worries.
Fully you got the idea, right? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. You want to join Deshmukh?
yes.
Okay. You can share the phone number or you will contact me later.
Sure.
Okay. Contact me later or you want to give the phone number now?
I will be
Yeah, you ping in the
what?
chat here. Okay. Yeah.
Sure.
Fine. Okay. Radhe, who is this? Any questions is there? Radhe, you have? Yeah. Okay. In the LMS, come back to LMS. Yeah. Your good name? Fine. Completed all the PowerCenter. Okay. Then you are, yes, you can learn IICS. With the PowerCenter, again, you are going to learn. That is the advantage for you. Yes. Sure, sure. Okay. Okay, Dattatra. Okay. Sure. Okay. Now, I'll tell you one thing. Okay. First of all, we should make our program in the mind properly. Okay. Uh, I'm from non-IT. I'm not eligible. All these things and all we should leave first of all. First of all, our mindset is everything. You can say for everything is our mindset only. If I think I am not eligible, I am not. If myself I am not saying I am eligible, no one will recognize in the world. Okay. First of all, you should recognize yourself. Simply, you cannot recognize yourself. For that, you should put some effort also. Practically, we should put some effort. You should follow some steps. Then automatically, you will get some confidence. That confidence will give some recognition within yourself. If you recognized once, you don't want to worry about too much about others' recognition. It's automatically it will come. Okay. But if you are rejecting yourself, then nobody can help. Even God also nobody can help. Okay. First of all, we should accept ourselves, follow some process, learn something, put some effort, do some practices, then automatically your confidence level will increase. Then automatically you're done. Then the whole world will, whether they are going to recognize or not, that is different. But at least we should have that courage on us. Okay, first of all, yes, I have done something, I should get something. Yeah. When you are thinking, I am from non IT, I have not done this, I don't have this and all, if you think, so that's why you're learning, right? Now you're learning, then you are done. Then you are eligible to work in an IT company or software company. Nothing to worry. Okay. It's not something heaven. Okay. It's not very far. It's not very difficult. It's you cannot achieve, not like that. Very easily, if you follow the process, it's before 40 session, you will crack the interview. It's happening in every batch. A lot of examples I can give. Lot of example I can give. Okay. It's not that difficult and all, but it's not that very, very easy also. No pain, no gain. Without hard work, nobody can do anything. But how to put that hard work into smart work, I will give the clear idea, clear picture. Okay. So no worries about your whatever you told now. Okay. Any other question? Yeah, Sandhya, right? Yeah, Sandhya. Not completed fully degree. What is your may I know your age? Your experience? You are 28. Okay. My suggestion, try to do some at least online degrees or something. Okay. If possible, go and try to complete the degree also. Still, time is there. Yeah, many people do the degree after 40 years, 40 years also. Okay. No any age bar for learnings, but if you are not able to complete the degree, yes, go for some certification. By keeping that certification, definitely you can. Yes, yes, yes. Many people are doing that also. Okay. You expose properly your profile in the Naukri profile or LinkedIn, everything. You put everything, whatever you, but you have to crack the certification at least. Okay. It's not that difficult. Complete the IEC certification. Or if you're interested, you complete the crack the Snowflake certification at least. Okay. Anyone. Yen. But parallelly, try to complete the degree in some way. Okay. Otherwise, you call me. I will tell you how to manage this situation. Okay. Any other question? Yeah. Now, yeah, yeah. You tell me. Tell me. Yeah, yeah. You can. Yes, yes. See, first suggestion, try to complete the degree. If you are not at all possible, then you can try for the next certification. Okay, certification means IIC certification or Informatica IICS certification or Snowflake. Okay, correct. But the actual procedure, you can go through the degree. Okay, because normally the companies, they are asking for degree holders only. But still, if you are having the real challenges, then you can try without that also. Without degree also, you can try with the proper certifications. Yeah, correct. Yeah. Now, any other questions? Yeah, your voice is not clear. Uh, so that's what I told. You can pay half of the amount and you can join. After 14 sessions, you can pay the remaining amount. So even if you're after 14 sessions also, you can, yeah, you see that if you're thinking that it is very much important, then you continue. Otherwise, if you're not at all interested, having some proper reason, yes, you can get the refund also, whatever you paid. That's what I'm telling. Okay. You're completely secured. Your money, whatever you're paying, you're not losing anything. Okay. Yeah, of course, after given the access from our platform, Android, iOS, web portal, everything. Yeah, in the case of nobody has taken the refund, maybe only 1% taken the refund till now, because he asked for a reason that he want urgent money back to him due to personal reason. So I returned the complete money with some 200 or 300 rupees we deducted for him. So to given the access, that is how only once it is happened. But I have the full confidence nobody is going to ask for refund. Even if you are having such a scenario, no problem. You can take the refund also if you are having that scenario. Yes. See, that's what I mentioned here. First of all, you pay first of all the amount, and 14 sessions after that, you can pay the remaining amount. You're completely secure. Nothing to worry about your money. Yeah. Whatever you're paying is very, very less only what based on what you're learning here. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions? Yeah. To enroll, simply you go to our website. So here, one more page I'm going to add. It will be visible in some time. Informatica IICS combo here only, same only. Click on this. As of now, it is mentioned as 12th batch, 13th batch will open now. Yeah, here you can click. You can, yeah. Here, click on this. You can put your mobile number and everything, your address and everything. Sorry, not address, your name and all, your email ID. And you can enroll. It will connect to the payment gateway. Okay. Razor Pay, it will connect. You can pay, or you can pay through Phone Pay or GPay also. I will give the access. Okay. Both are available. Android app. Yeah, Android app. Yeah, you can go through the Google and type for Rishab Informatica group. You will get the Android app also. See here. See here. Here you have, right? Google Play Store. Rishab Informatica apps on Google Play. Okay, you can click on this. Yeah. You can install in your mobile. Or if you're using iOS, I'll give the link for you. If you're using the, yeah, Apple or iPhone. It's lifetime access. Yes. Any other questions? So these are the few Google reviews. I have not asked anyone. Yeah. Nowadays, just, yeah. See here. These people have got the job. Okay. See here. This Shrikant is from the last batch, last to last batch. See here. Shravan helped to crack my interview in 40 sessions. He cracked the interview before 40 sessions. It's not simply joke. Just he followed our process, he cracked. If you want, I can give the phone number of every students, whoever is given the Google review. It's not simply. I never imagined before join IICS combo training. Hari sir helped with mock interviews, which really boosted my confidence to crack my interviews. Thanks for efforts to help everyone. And this person, my name is Nitish Sharma. Last year in December, I planned to get into data engineer field. I consulted my friend who is a ETL developer. I searched for courses, but the course provided by Rishab Informatica Group is the best. The answer why? Other institutions are taking different batches for PowerCenter and IICS, which is expensive and time taking. Unlike here, where there is a combo batch at an affordable price with payment ease as well. Harisar is putting the efforts day and night to help everyone. So these are the automatically they given the reviews for us based on their success, whatever they got. Okay. Like this, lot of is there. Everything is yeah, correct. Okay. Yeah, our course is structured in such a way that it should be directly helping. Okay. Yes. Any other questions? See, if you want only recordings, yes, you can go through this ISS combo full course. So this batch, the previous to previous batch videos I added here. There is no live session in this, only recording also if you want. If you don't have time to attend the live sessions, you can go for recording also directly. Okay. It's having 85 plus hours recordings. Having 50 videos are there. Same class I am taking as a live. Now, if you join the new batch, you will get the same recordings. Not this recording, whatever the live batch I'm doing, that recording you will get, not this one. Okay, so this is what we have seen the PowerCenter, we have seen the IICS, we have seen the Snowflake, we have seen the PostgreSQL. Yeah, we have seen the Oracle also here. Yeah. Any other questions, anyone? Sure. Okay.
So the classes will be starts from tomorrow.
Not from tomorrow, from Wednesday. Wednesday we'll start the class. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions, anyone? Okay, you call me directly. You call me. I'll tell you, don't worry about your profile or anything. Okay, everything has a solution. In some cases, yeah. See, it's not that all the people I will ask to join immediately. Some people will have their process. You complete that process and come. Yeah. Okay. Any other questions? Okay, shall I stop? Yeah. See, any questions, please call me directly. Okay. Yeah. Hemant, you unmuted? You have any
No,
question?
nothing, sir.
Okay. Sure. Okay. And yeah. I'll just give the glimpses. What are the sessions we are going to complete? Like this only. The process will go like this only. Day-to-day call, day-to-day sessions. It will go like this. Okay. Yeah. Day 1, introduction. Day 2, the SQL, 5 different languages and single row functions and ISS account creation, everything. Okay, we have to install all these platforms: Snowflake, Informatica PowerCenter, IICS, Oracle, PostgreSQL, all these things. Next, we'll have the architecture explanation and Snowflake account creation and its process, and filter transformation, expression, router, Excel, different loadings, source qualifier, sorter transformation, aggregator, hierarchy parser, build, schema builder, right? Union transformation, indirect file loading. So all the sessions will go in all these platforms. What is that? SQL, for example, union transformation. Okay. Yes, all the sessions. Union transformation. What is union? SQL. Yeah. One second. I'll show the joins itself. Okay. Joiner transformation. I'll open the joiner transformation document. See, this is the last batch. See here. So we'll do first SQL. Okay. First of all, what is joins? We'll see the difference between the joins in SQL and joins in PowerCenter. Inner join, normal join. The naming convention differences in SQL and PowerCenter. Inner join, normal join. Left outer join, master outer join. Right outer join, detail outer join. Full outer, full outer. Like this, first we'll do the SQL. See here, first SQL. How to do the joins SQL? And what are the different types of joins is there? Implicit method and ANSI method. Yeah, all these things, how to do the joins. Yeah, what are the different joins and all. Okay, left outer join, right outer join, how to do the SQL. And after all this, we'll go for joins in PowerCenter. Then joins in IICS. How to handle the join scenario in Snowflake. Yeah. Okay, like this. Okay, hope it's clear how the process will go, right? Next. See, next we'll have SCD. SCD 1, 2, 3, everything will be there. And reusable concepts. Reusable concept means maplet. And we'll have the parameters and variables and CDC, workflow level task and task flow. Yeah. For example, task flow I will open here. See, this is how we'll have the comparison. Okay. PowerCenter, mapping, workflow, task flow, session, task. We'll compare like this. PowerCenter IICS. If you assume that you are learning in a separate batch, you will not get this comparison. So workflow is called as task flow in IICS. Session is called as task in IICS. Right? And what are the different tasks available? Reusable, non-reusable tasks in PC. Non-reusable tasks. Okay. Reusable, non-reusable, how, right? And we'll have the comparisons and everything, right? Both the PowerCenter and IICS, all the tasks will cover. Right? Next. And we'll have a real-time project session. Okay. How to do the real-time project explanation will be there. Yeah, project explanation. What are the different like agile, waterfall, basic explanations, real-time project, how to make it. Okay. Yeah, what are the different steps, architecture, project architecture, right? And these are the environments if you are working in the real time, dev, testing, UAT, and production, right? And yeah, domains, what are the domains, client, how to explain about your project, client, location. We'll take a project, we'll choose a project and we'll try to make a mini project like real time connecting with IICS, Snowflake, and everything, right? Yeah. Then we'll have connection with GCP, right? Yeah, that's all. Then we'll have parallelly, as I already told, we will have the mock interviews. We should crack the interview before. Then we'll have CA, importantly CA. So what is CA, first of all? Yeah, 1 second. One second. Okay. So the cloud application integration, it will have some at least 8 classes. Okay, this is how the class will start of CI. After 40 sessions, we'll have the CI. Okay. So what are the things we are going to cover in CI? If you ask, these are the sessions will go. Okay. First, introduction to CI with real-time examples of API and CI and IICS, yeah, installation separately for CI with the CI. Understanding web services and APIs, generating a file through API and loading data into JSON, and working with the CI service connectors, app connector, and end-to-end process, and extracting data from a table, and calling an API in data integration, importing ISVs, understanding CI API manager, and creating a Salesforce, and working with CI process, integrating CDI with CI, and vice versa. Vice versa means we can integrate the CDI to CI and CI to CDI, like that. Okay. Yeah. So these are the API classes will go like this. Okay. Yeah. So we'll have at least 8 classes on this. CI means, I'll tell you very simple way. Okay. It's like you can see this. Yeah. See these examples you can see. Okay. Simple example. This is a Google Map API. It's connected to Ola, Uber, Zomato, Swiggy, and all. Right. So a single platform to connect with multiple platforms. Just like we use the Axis Bank API. It will connect to PhonePe, GPay, PayPal. If you are using the Make My Trip, you can connect to Indian Airlines, Indigo, SpiceJet, or any flight service. The same example you can take for Redbus. Yeah, Redbus, if you go to the Redbus, you will get lot of bus services available. Okay, based on your price, based on your time. Yeah, that's what. Okay, this is what some examples are given. Axis Bank is having, you can take any bank, SBI Bank also. There is a request, there is a response, which is connected to the PhonePe app. you cannot directly connect to the Axis Bank database. They will have a API that you can connect so that you can get the data of your particular account. If you want to know the bank balance, if you want to transfer the money, everything you can do. Okay. Yeah. We'll have at least 2 to 3 projects in this CI. One, it is AccuWeather, and I will take some examples from our website itself. Okay. For example, in our website, we are having 2 APIs. 2 API I have only in my website alone because I only developed my website also. See, for example, so this one, go to contact us. Okay. If you click on this contact us, if you type your name, your details, it will connect to a API. It will trigger the Google platform that will give a email ID to me. Yeah, I am not connected directly. I am using the API. Same way, this SQL platform I told, right? I created a API to another SQL platform that it will connect, and it is working through API. Yeah, all the functions you can use, right? This is my front end I created. Back end I connected to a API. Got it? Same way, you take any example. Redbus, anybody. Okay. So you will have multiple choices while using the CI. That is a API. Okay. Same example only. I can say yes. We'll have these connections and all, like service connector, app connector, process, how to use connection, file creation. Yeah. Okay. See, the advantage is using the API or CI. I have multiple choices. Yeah, yeah. If you go to the make my trip, for example, I'm typing the make my trip, or Redbus also. So many APIs there in make my trip itself. Okay. Because you can book see, so many services. Trains, you can book trains, you can book buses, you can book taxi, taxi, or your like Ola or anything. See here, cabs, tours and attractions, visa, hotels. You can book particularly which room you want by connecting on this. Yeah, all the things. Correct. If I book on this flights, first flights they given, you can choose Bangalore to Mumbai. Okay. So what will happen? It will connect internally to the Bangkok. Okay, I'm just clicking on this Bangkok. Now it is connecting to Bangkok and it is searching. See here, it is going to search now and it will give the results. So how it is happening in the back end? It is connecting to the particular flight API, and it is not only showing only one hour flight, it is showing all the flights. All the flights. Currently, what are the flights available for me? Including the dates and everything. They are giving some offers and all, special offer up to 10,000 off or some international flights or something they given here. Okay. Like this. Like this. You can select which one I want to go for. Air India. Yeah, I go for Air India. Air India Express. Indigo. Air India again. Air India again. SpiceJet. Akasa Air. So you can choose based on your choice. Multiple choices you will get. Okay. If someone wants to, okay, I can directly also book. Okay, I can go for Indigo directly. Okay. What is the disadvantage if I go for Indigo directly? Can anyone tell what is the disadvantage if I go for Indigo directly? Why I should go through the Make My Trip? This is a direct option. There is no, I will not have multiple choices if I go for Indigo directly. I should go through only Indigo. I will not get the comparisons with other service providers like Air India or any other service providers. I can book here also directly, but people will go for Make My Trip. Why? Due to this reason. I can, wherever I'm sitting, from there itself, I can book my flight, cab, hotel, and everything. All these services you can book. That is the biggest advantage of using API, CAI, all these things. Okay. Any other questions? Yeah, I'll stop now. If any other questions is there, please ask. I'll get back. Okay. Yeah. Thank you all.